Unlocked. The bullshit of money-making ideas on YouTube. Fast forward to 2050. Background. By 2050, YouTube, or its future iteration, has evolved into an even more massive global platform. Integrated VR, AR, and other advanced technologies have drastically changed the way content is consumed. However, with change comes a new breed of money-making schemes and misleading, get-rich-quick ideas. Holographic ad farms. Bullshit alert. Channels that use next-gen AR and holography to display hundreds of ads simultaneously, overwhelming viewers. Reality. True monetary value on YouTube still depends on genuine engagement and content value. Bombarding viewers with ads only leads to dissatisfaction and disengagement. Time warp clickbait. Bullshit alert. Leveraging quantum computing, some creators claim to offer time warp experiences, promising viewers they can live in any era they choose for a few minutes. Reality. These are just highly sophisticated VR experiences. While enjoyable, they don't offer any real money-making potential for viewers. Galactic mining schemes. Bullshit alert. As space exploration and mining become feasible, channels pop up promoting DIY kits for asteroid mining, promising vast riches. Reality. Most successful space mining is done by major corporations with massive resources. The DIY kits are mostly scams or vastly underpowered. AI persona rentals. Bullshit alert. Channels offering AI-driven virtual personalities for rent, claiming these personas can become influencers on their own, earning massive incomes. Reality. While AI-driven channels exist and can generate revenue, the market is saturated. Renting a persona doesn't guarantee success. Brain upload monetization. Bullshit alert. Upload your consciousness and monetize your thoughts, is a trending promise. Reality. Such technology is in its infancy. While there are potentials, current monetization claims are exaggerated and often misleading. Deepfake film studios. Bullshit alert. Become a movie star without acting. Channels offer services to insert anyone into blockbuster films using deepfakes, suggesting they can earn royalties. Reality. Copyright laws have evolved. An unauthorized use or modification of original films for profit is illegal. By 2050, while technology has evolved, the age-old adage still holds: if it seems too good to be true, it probably is.